Every workplace has risks, from small hazards in an office to high-risk situations in factories or construction sites. That is why safety training is not just important, it is essential for every employee. Safety training equips employees with the knowledge to recognize hazards, handle emergencies, and use equipment properly. It reduces the chances of accidents and injuries, protecting both workers and the organization. Trained employees are more confident, make safer decisions, and respond quickly in critical situations, potentially saving lives. Beyond compliance, safety training builds a culture of responsibility, teamwork, and trust. It shows employees that their well-being is valued. Safety is not just a policy, it is a mindset. And safety training is the first step to creating a workplace where everyone goes home safe, every day. Invest in safety training, because every employee matters.